guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jun. We're at a subway station today because things is like we don't really use cash that often right now in China, so it could be a problem if you're first time here and you need to take the subway. So that's why we're here today at the subway station to show you how to pay for the subway with your phone.
Hey everybody, it's me, Jason. I'm back.
And the keyword for today's video is 地铁 subway. 地 with the fourth tone and 铁 with the third tone. 地铁.
Today we're in the subway station, and as you know, it's very different here when you're in China using money. Most people don't use cash. Now, if you're first time coming to China and you have cash, you can use a machine to get on the metro. And it's nice because it has Chinese and it has English, so you can change the language. And it's simple, you just follow the instructions, you can put in your cash, and then you'll get a little card, and the card will come out here, and then you can take that and use it in the machines. But there's a way easier way to do it, and that is with your phone. So there's an app that's really useful in China called WeChat, and it can do everything. And one of the cool things is you can use it to get on the metro. So that's what we're going to do today. So from here we have our mini programs. So these are a bunch of different apps that are built into the WeChat app that you can use for all kinds of stuff. The one we want is right here. This is the Metro app. So we click on that. And the cool thing is you can use this for different kinds of public transportation, right? Even like airport, like airplane. But we're sticking with this one. And one thing you always want to do is make sure that up here the location is the right city, okay? That way you're getting on the right metro. So you can use this in different metros in different cities in China. So once we have this, we have the QR code. This is what you use to scan at the entrance, and that will let you get onto the metro line. So when you scan, you'll first be pre-charged, and when you scan to get out of the metro, you'll be charged from your WeChat bank account. So that's the money that you keep in the app. If you don't have money in your WeChat account, it'll take the money out of the bank that's linked to your WeChat. So whichever bank account you use to put money into your WeChat account, it'll just take the money straight from there if it's not already on WeChat. So pretty easy. First thing we have to look at is the security. So everyone has to use security to get into the metro, not just foreigners. And as you can see over here, you have to scan your luggage or your bags, and then you walk through the metal detectors and they scan you. So of course I'm here with my lovely purse and we're going to go through security together, okay? Usually you'll see two gates. If you have a bag, you'll go through this gate. If you don't have anything on you, you can go through that quicker gate there.
I'll go through that one.
Okay, so we'll put the purse on. So when you get inside, you're going to want to look for your line, the line that you want to get on. This metro station has two different lines, so you can always follow the arrows to see where you're trying to go. Also, if you're leaving the metro station, you can look here and it'll give you a list of different areas and important things in this area. For example, a temple, or as you can see down here, one of the international shopping malls. So you can find stuff that you're looking for by checking this. So here we see the different lines and where we need to go to get on. Also, if you're confused and you need some help, you can usually go to these service centers and they can sort of help you out. Sometimes they even speak a decent amount of English, so they can help you a lot. Okay, so now we're down on the metro station, and here you can hear the different information about the train coming. They have Chinese and English. See?
Please line up by the sign of the ground and give way to exiting passengers. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
So one thing to notice here, we're on line 2, but you can also see here, you can just go downstairs and that'll take you to line 3. Most of the metro stations are like that, where they're connected. Sometimes you have to go to a different area to get on a different line if the metro station has 2 lines. So there's usually arrows that tell you where to go, so don't worry. Now, it's pretty simple to read. If you look up at the sign, it'll tell you the names of the metro stations in Chinese and in Pinyin, which is the alphabet, the English alphabet version of the Chinese. So yeah, it's pretty easy to figure out where you're going. So finally, it's time. It's time for me to head home. So good luck to you guys when you come to China and take the metro. Remember, you can use your phone, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.
为了您的安全，请站在安全区域排队候车，请勿倚靠站台门。
For your safety, please line up in the waiting room. Do not lean against the door.